got my inspiration for this sandwich from an old school establishment in southeast Missouri known as the Pilot House. Rural, backwoods, roadhouse, smokehouse. No Patrick Swayze included. But just like Patrick Swayze, it's no shirt, no shoes, no service at some places. But there, no shirt, we'll still give you a sandwich. Their biggest claim to fame is the big hot cheese. 2 slices of bread, pulled pork, slaw, pimento cheese, and jalapenos and barbecue sauce, all pressed on a sandwich press and served hot and crispy, ready to be digested, probably poorly. After you eat at the Pilot House, you'd smell like John Wayne's lung and a really dirty pork rind, dropped in hot fat. The Pilot House is also known for serving luke-cold stag in a mug with a pickle spear. Stag is known in those parts as steak, taters, and gravy, or in my case, syphilis, trichinosis, and gangrene. This nearly windowless establishment has a bar that's covered in glued pennies, and you'll drink a lot under the cheap glow of Miller Lite and Michelob and Budweiser beer lamps. After a couple minutes on a somewhat hot skillet, the sourdough gets nice and crunchy, like my hair in the mid-'80s when it was under a lot of gel. So I use the spicy government cheese. It melts nicely, it's completely synthetic, and when it burns it gets really crispy and kind of delicious. The Pilot House is also known as being the de facto 19th hole for the Cape Girardeau JC's municipal golf course, the gem of southeast Missouri. In the middle of the summer, the fairways are so hard, you can hit a 320-yard 9-iron, no problem. Your ball gets a case of the Roadrunner red ass, run low and hot. It's the kind of sandwich where after you eat it, you don't know where a doorknob is. Jarred jalapenos can vary in their heat. You can also use cherry peppers if you want to, if you get like a panic attack at the thought of Tabasco. I'm going to give you a little warning. After you eat this sandwich, you might want to grind up an Imodium and snort it for that quick release. The Slop House Sizzler can't hold a candle to the Big Hot Cheese, but it is kind of like its second cousins with some class and couth deficiencies. But it's pretty good.